time in Texas. Well, I'm gonna go to Dollar Tree. We'll do like a hotel haul. Okay. Is this like good lighting? I don't even know. Should I open this? Maybe this. Is that weird? We'll just go with it. Okay, hotel room haul. Not a stitch of makeup on. Alright. So, I'm back in Texas, and it's really just for like my mental health. Dollar Tree is also for my mental health, so I made a stop and show you guys everything that I got. It's kind of funny. I feel like this is a funny, like what I don't know, because obviously like these things have to go in my luggage, so that's the other thing. Like I obviously couldn't grab, you know, all the new stuff, but let me tell you, I should have recorded while I was in there because this store had a lot of summer nautical stuff out and it blew me away. They have the most beautiful like beaded tassels for like tier trays. They have all of this like anchor and, you know, starfish decor, and it is top tier. It's so good. So if you're just like looking to decorate seasonally, there's some really good finds that you can get at Dollar Tree for this. I did get some nautical things, so I'll show you, but it's because it'll fit pretty well in my luggage. First things first, I just got a loofah. I actually really love this loofah. I know it's just a loofah, but I do pick like my loofahs with a color purpose sometimes. I mean, anyone else? I don't just like grab and go, if that makes sense. Like I want to pick like the one that I feel the most for some weird reason. And this little white and yellow one is so cute. It's just giving me like my sunshine kit on Etsy. So I got that. I got it for my hotel room because I forgot to bring one with me, and I'd rather have like a loofah than anything else. I just feel like it lathers so much better. All right, then why'd I get this? What's it like living in Dallas? Because I really wouldn't know. I mean, if I would have known, I wouldn't have done it. You know what I mean? Like, I thought I had it together. I thought I knew what I was doing. I was like, oh yeah, I'm gonna go live in Florida. Look at me now. Look at me now. So I thought that these little plush Bernstein bears were epic. I mean, obviously, like I grew up on them. Also, there's the Mandela effect on them. Comment down below. How do you remember the spelling of Bernstein bears being? Like there was never an A in it for me. It was all E's, because I remember specifically knowing how to spell it when I was younger because of the fact that there were all E's. But if you don't know the Mandela effect, you can see Bernstein bears now shows that there's an A in the stain. It was Steen, Bernstein bears, but Mandela effect basically is where a massive amount of a group of people remember the same thing, but technically it never happened, if that makes sense. So technically Bernstein bears has always been spelled with an A, but like hundreds and thousands of people have remembered it a different way. Kind of like Chick-fil-A. Yeah, anyways. So what do you guys remember it being spelled as? But anyways, I found the whole fam. Super cute. I didn't stop there with Bernstein, so I'll show you guys as I like get to everything. This I'm probably the most excited about. New Bic pen has entered the chat room at Dollar Tree. This is the Gelocity Original. It's extra smooth writing, long lasting. It's a medium point. And what's interesting is at first I thought this was like an eraser, but it's not. It's just like a click. It is black gel, and these are some of my favorite pens, and it's been a long time since something like this has showed up, so this is a big deal for those of you who are as picky as I am about my pens. I got more. I think there's more in this bag. I got another one of these cute little journals because I love the inside, which is absolutely precious. I got 2 of those. The other one's somewhere in here. Like, yeah, here's my third. I got 3 of these. I was not going to go home without that. And let's see, here's the other little, here's my receipt. I ended up spending $48.75 before tax. So however many items, I wish this thing would like say number of items, but I just don't see it. So whatever $48.75 divided by $1.25, that's gonna give us the number of items. Okay, then let me just like pull out all of the nautical stuff here. Is that like, no, here's one more. These are so freaking precious. They're nautical icons. As you can see, they come with a little hole, and then you can string this. You can do so many DIYs with this. You can string like a garland, or you can like let the kids have a project and paint it and make it cute. Put it in your command center, make your command center like seasonal, which that would be so cute. I did get mine from a junk journaling perspective, so I think this would be really cute. So I found the seahorse, I found the whale, which the whale is my favorite. It's giving vineyard vines as well, so I really like that. Then the turtle is absolutely cute. You get 6 pieces in here. I also found the sailboat, which when I see sailboat, I think of Mystic Pizza. That's random, but now you know. The little anchors and the little starfish. That is just so cute. So I feel like I got every single one that they had, but if there's more, I don't know about it. Then I picked up the letter tiles. I believe I've hauled this. I don't remember if I've hauled the plain ones, but these are also really good, you guys, for junk journaling. So don't pass up on like thicker items, because honestly, like that's the beauty of a junk journal, is you can make it nice and thick, and it's just so cute in the end when you finish it. And there's one of my favorite junk journalers, she uses these like in hers. So I picked up some more. So I got that. And then let's go through my little pack of stickers. So this one's been floating around at Dollar Tree for years now. And I know how Dollar Tree works. I know that probably the longest stickers kind of circulate at Dollar Tree probably is a max of 5 years, maybe 6. I feel like we're coming to the end of this one, but I feel like this one's probably like 3 or 4 years. I'm not really sure, but I know it's been around for several summer seasons, and I'm like, you know what, let me just grab it one more time, because this could be the end. And it is like, look at this piece. That is just so beautiful. Whether you want to start scrapbooking, getting those digital photos on paper, like whatever it is, you know, these stickers at Dollar Tree are top notch. Then I got this one. I just thought it was really cute. I'm sure I have several copies of these. Honestly, it's the little elephant and the bear that kind of like get me, and this little like cloud. Adorable. Now this one I don't have, so this one's new to my Dollar Tree sticker collection. It's so pretty. It's getting me so excited for summertime. Like this one with the lighthouse and the palm tree in the back, that's unique. Dollar Tree's never done an image quite like this one before, so definitely worth having if you're like a sticker collector like I am. Then I found these, which are really cool. They look like mirrored. Yeah, they definitely have that where like you can see the effect. So I thought this was really interesting and new. Got it in silver and gold. I picked up this one. I'm pretty positive I have this one in my collection as well. I really like this big chunky sticker here, but also it was this one that like just like sells me. Something about the flamingo and like the freaking hat just kills me. Also, the hat reminds me of that I Love Lucy episode where she goes to Cuba and she goes into the cigar place, then she like has to roll up a cigar, and it's a whole thing. It's hilarious, so I love that. And then this sticker has a chokehold on me, a chokehold. Anytime I see it, I grab it. And then I got some more cards. Oh, where's the other one? Oh, here it is. It came out. So I picked up this one. If you watch my junk journal lives, then you've seen me work with Dollar Tree cards. I like to look at them and see how I can you know, kind of like goddaughter. Like, you know, I don't want this text. So I kind of look at it from like, okay, I can definitely cut it here at this point, or if I want to keep the card long, it's to the point where, you know, I could easily cover this up with something if I wanted to, but it's this image here that I thought was super adorable. I really like it. I like the little scallopy trim at the top. Comes with a sweet yellow envelope. And then this one, I probably should have got 2 of these. I know I'm gonna go back, but this card is beautiful. Camera is doing it no justice, but this is one of those cards where in person, it's just special because of the glitter detail. And unfortunately, I really don't think you guys can see it. But next time you're at Dollar Tree, just go look at this card just so that you can kind of like see what I'm talking about. It's just so cute. This says Happy Easter to Precious New You, so it's like for a baby, but you can see that it's like in a square setting. So like in this instance, where do you cut to kind of get rid of it? I wouldn't cut to get rid of this. Instead, because it's in a square setting, I would just lay another piece of like scrapbook on top of it and, you know, kind of like work around it from that standpoint. So I got all of those. I actually got some bonus items, and look at this for $3. So they're labeling this as filler. It's also like crafts label. It's not Craft or Square, but it's definitely a Dollar Tree brand in their bonus section. And it comes with all of these little, like shaker card fillers. And they are so cute. I mean, the stars, there's just crescent moons in there, little mini stars. So I made a shaker card in my last YouTube live. I'll link it down below for my junk journal. And now I finally have some good stuff to work with. And then I saw this one too, the sprinkle glitter set. They have multiple color options with this in the bonus section. I feel like $3 is pretty decent. I don't know, if you're a crafter and you work with a lot of like glitter and sequins, comment down below and let us know if you think $3 for this is a good, decent price. I mean, it's filled to the top, feels pretty decently heavy. I'll just kind of rotate slowly. Like, this is a brown, like a coppery brown, which is beautiful. Like, this color palette is everything. And yeah, I got it for, I just need to build up my glitter game for my junk journaling. I feel like it'll definitely help me to go to the next level. All right, then I also got more stickers. I forgot about these. These are so cute. A little alien set. Look at this guy right here. That is really adorable. And then this one. And then you always get the alphabet in the last sheet. And then I feel like I have this one for sure, but I don't have very many of it. And like, look at that. That looks like a movie poster, which is so cool. I think that's what they're doing with it. So this one's the marquee letters. I love like seeing how Dollar Tree designs. All right, then I picked up this one. This has like a little pirate theme. It's like a kit. It's Jot's Elite. If you're new, I'm huge into labels at Dollar Tree, and Jot's my favorite. Like, these are Jot too, but these are Crafter Square. Actually, this is Shore Living. So this is like their little nautical line, but these are Crafter Square. But anyways, I digress. So I've always wanted to do a Goonies themed planner spread. I want to go back to doing my planner spreads as well, like the ones you guys are used to seeing from me, like the happy planner where I do the stickers, I do the whole thing. And Goonies is still something that I wanted to do like 5-6 years ago and haven't gotten to it. I found this little sticker set and it's making me feel really inspired to like do that. So there's that, and then we're gonna finish it off with Bernstein Bear coloring books. Like, how cute are these? For $1.25. I did look for strawberry shortcake while I was here. If you guys follow all my Dollar Tree hauls, I have some videos where I do like a checklist video. It's basically where I write things that I know I've seen at one point or another in passing at Dollar Tree that I want to remember to pick up, and then I go and see if I can find it. I know I've seen strawberry shortcake coloring books, but now that I'm looking for it, I can't freaking find it. So anyways, these little Bernstein bears look, I will say this, the pages are cheap. Okay, so if you're going to use a marker, for starters, it's going to bleed, and it will probably bleed through several pages. Like, you can just tell. So the quality is not there. But yeah, but the images look so fun. Yeah, so I'll show you the covers again. Like, I hope this page is in there, because that looks really cute. There's this one. And then this one. And that's about all that I could get that I know is gonna like fit in my luggage. But I hope you guys enjoyed. I know you're probably like, you're back in Texas, oh my god. Yeah, it's for my mental health. I just talked to a bear about my problems, you know what I mean? And it's not even real. But anyways, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. It helps out my channel so much, and I know some of you just like automatically give me a thumbs up before you watch, and that is the sweetest thing, so thank you so much for that. And I will see you guys back in Florida for another Dollar Tree haul.